Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down a little bit to find the device section. On the first position we've got the display, so let's enter, and on the third option is the sleep one, so that's what we are looking for. Let's tap on it. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10, or 30 minutes. Right now we've got 1 minute applied because this option is marked. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I'll pick, for example, 5 minutes. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, we do not have to enter this option again in order to check if it has been changed, because it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.